Looking for a faster or cleaner way to apply coatings or solutions? In this video, we're diving into the best direct immersion sprayers designed for reliable, efficient performance in demanding applications. Let's check out the top options worth your attention. Number 1. Petra Pump Sprayer. The Petra Pump Sprayer from Petra Tools is a solid, versatile choice for anyone looking to tackle lawn and garden projects with ease and professional-looking results. This 1-gallon sprayer is built with convenience and durability in mind, making it a dependable option for applying fertilizers, mulch glue, pesticides, and other liquid solutions. One of its standout features is the generously long 52-inch hose paired with a 16-inch wand, which allows users to comfortably reach around garden beds, trees, and tight spots without constant bending or repositioning. The wand offers great control during application, while the adjustable nozzle makes it easy to switch from a fine mist to a direct jet stream, adapting perfectly to a wide range of outdoor tasks. The translucent tank is another thoughtful feature, providing easy visibility of liquid levels so you'll always know when it's time for a refill. Its wide funnel-shaped opening simplifies pouring and mixing, while a large ergonomic handle ensures comfortable carrying and pumping even during extended use. To enhance safety and maintain reliable pressure control, the Petra Pump Sprayer includes a built-in pressure release valve. This thoughtful addition helps prevent accidental spray bursts by releasing excess pressure, offering peace of mind while you work. Number 2. Giftsfaloy Garden Sprayer. The Giftsfaloy Garden Sprayer stands out as a battery-powered upgrade to traditional pump sprayers, offering both convenience and versatility for home gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed with a built-in 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this sprayer eliminates the need for manual pumping, which means no more sore hands after a long day in the garden. With a single charge providing continuous operation for 2.5 to 3 hours, this unit allows users to handle multiple spraying tasks without interruption. Whether you're misting delicate flowers or tackling weeds, a simple press of a button gets the job done effortlessly. This electric sprayer holds up to 2 gallons of liquid, reducing the frequency of refills during larger jobs. It's lightweight, portable, and comes equipped with an adjustable shoulder strap for extra comfort during extended use. The tank's translucent design with scaling marks lets you easily monitor solution levels, helping you plan and mix solutions more effectively. Adding to its functionality, the sprayer features a telescopic rod that extends up to 23.62 inches, making it easy to reach high branches or deep into shrubs without straining. Number 3. Solo Pressure Sprayer. The Solo Pressure Sprayer is a compact yet powerful tool built to handle a variety of outdoor spraying tasks with minimal hassle. Designed for versatility, this 1-liter handheld sprayer is well suited for gardening, weed control, car cleaning, and even mildew or algae removal. One of its key advantages is the built-in drift and drip guards, which help maintain a controlled spray pattern and keep chemicals exactly where you want them, reducing waste and protecting nearby plants and surfaces from overspray. Solo understands the importance of comfort, especially for repetitive tasks, and they've integrated a lock-on trigger feature to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the yard or worksite, and operation is straightforward. Just fill the tank with your chosen liquid, pump it about 30 times to build up pressure, and unlock the trigger to start spraying. It's an efficient system for small to medium-sized jobs around the house and garden. The adjustable nozzle allows for flexibility in spray patterns, shifting from a gentle mist to a targeted stream with a simple twist. This makes it easy to water fragile plants or apply cleaning solutions to tough spots. Its 1-liter tank size is ideal for quick, targeted tasks, offering enough capacity to handle spot treatments without being cumbersome or heavy. The sprayer is made from durable, corrosion-resistant materials designed to hold up against fertilizers, pesticides, and cleaning chemicals alike. Number 4. Vivosun Gallon Pump Sprayer. The Vivosun Gallon Pump Sprayer combines functionality and durability in a package designed to make plant care, cleaning, and outdoor tasks simpler and more efficient. This 1-gallon capacity sprayer is equipped with a well-designed adjustable nozzle that easily switches between mist and stream spray patterns. Whether you need a gentle spray for delicate plants or a direct stream for cleaning patios and walkways, the Vivosun sprayer adapts effortlessly to the task. One of its most convenient features is the 22.2-inch wand paired with a 51.2-inch hose, providing excellent reach for larger areas without having to constantly reposition the tank. The ergonomic handle includes a locking trigger that allows for continuous or intermittent spraying, which reduces hand strain and makes it more comfortable during extended use. A built-in safety valve automatically releases excess pressure to maintain safe operation and prevent accidental bursts. Filling and monitoring liquid levels is hassle-free, thanks to a large bowl and funnel-style opening that simplifies pouring and minimizes spills. A clear liquid level indicator with both fluid ounce and liter scales makes it easy to track your remaining solution at a glance. The sprayer is equipped with a fluorine rubber sealing gasket, making it compatible with various plant care solutions, pesticides, fertilizers, and household cleaners. Number 5. Flowmaster Tank Sprayer. The Flowmaster Tank Sprayer is a reliable, no-nonsense tool designed for small to medium garden tasks, making it a favorite among home gardeners and lawn care enthusiasts. With a 1-gallon tank capacity, this sprayer is perfect for handling a variety of chores such as weed control, fertilizing, or even light car washing without the burden of a bulky container. Its funnel top opening simplifies the refilling process, minimizing spills and making mixing solutions straightforward and clean. One of the standout features is its adjustable polycone spray nozzle, which lets you tailor the spray pattern to suit the task at hand. You can easily switch between a fine mist for delicate flowers or young plants and a strong stream for tougher jobs like washing down patios or applying herbicides to problem areas. The thumb-operated control valve with lock-on capability also allows for continuous spraying, reducing hand fatigue and making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This sprayer's ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip handle and an anti-kink 34-inch hose paired with a 12-inch poly spray wand that gives good reach and control. It's made from high-quality corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring it can handle fertilizers, pesticides, and cleaning chemicals without wear or damage. Another bonus is its ease of cleaning. The tank and nozzle are designed to rinse out quickly and easily, so switching between different chemicals or solutions is hassle-free and safe. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.